I didn't have a meeting. I got emailed the script from Shonali. When I read the script, I started thinking about the disability and the whole like, oh, this is a film about a girl in a wheelchair. And by the end, I completely forgot that she's in a wheelchair. You know, I was seeing the human being behind it. And that's what we often forget. You know, we just see the disability first. We don't see the person behind it, the personality behind it. And Laila's personality is so strong and she has such a joy of living that you cannot help but fall in love with her. So I think that's the beauty of this film. You're representing a very real disability which is representational of everybody who has CP, cerebral palsy, this disability. And the thing with cerebral palsy is it affects different people to different levels. You know, it can affect people very mildly, or it can be make them completely paraplegic and in a wheelchair. So, you know, the choices are endless of where you can take this as a character. So I needed a lot of guidance from Shonali, and you know, her cousin sister is disabled and has cerebral palsy. So that was a great starting point for me, to start with someone real who really had the disability and to understand it from her point of view, growing up with it, you know, how she functions, how she does every daily activity and everything. So that was a great starting point for me. So there's lots of levels to it. One, of course, is the actual physicality of the disability. So I worked with a physiotherapist and speech therapist of Malini, and I understood how the muscles work and that they're weaker. So the tongue is also a muscle. So imagine if someone is holding your tongue and you're trying to speak. That's how it's like for Malini to try and speak. And then the physiology, in the sense that, you know, like Malini and Laila, what we captured in Laila was this sense of when they have to express an emotion, like especially like laughter or happiness, because of, you know, less sort of control of the body, it gets expressed in a much bigger way. You know, so your hands will go up, your smile will be bigger. You know, her head will get thrown back. So that sort of largeness, larger than life sort of feelings, and that's very much like Malini. If you know Malini in real life, you know, there's certain expressions, emotions which come out physically. You know, we tend to control our emotions. Even when we laugh, we've been taught to laugh like this, you know, and cross your legs and sit a certain way. But because of her disability, she can't do those things. So you see the real person. It's like when you see a child crying or laughing. You know, it's uncensored. It's real. So that's really beautiful in Laila as well. Revati, firstly, as a person, is fantastic. She's one of the most sweet, patient people I have ever met, really. And she's also really loving, and you know, she was almost like a mother offset as well. But as far as the relationship goes in our film, it's a very important relationship, and my character is somebody who would need help in everything, even being bathed. So her mother is that close that she doesn't even have that privacy as a teenager, that, you know, normally we start bathing ourselves, but because of her disability, she needs her mother. And actually there's a beautiful reversal of that also. As the film continues and Laila grows up and becomes independent and goes to New York and comes back, and her mother is, you know, struggling with things, and she's helping her mother. So there's also that beautiful relationship, with child-parent relationship, where at one point we become the parents, and you know, we start helping our parents. So I think it's beautifully shown in the film. Margarita with a straw, obviously margarita is a cocktail. People with cerebral palsy need a straw to drink. So one is, we wanted to break the myth. Shonali wanted to break this myth that people with a disability don't drink alcohol, don't go out, don't party, don't dance, don't have sex, don't have children. This is a huge myth, that because we don't see the disabled. So in our country especially, there's no accessibility. We don't see them outdoors very much. We don't see them. So we think that they don't have families and lives like us, but they do. So that was one reason. And the second is, you know, there's this saying which is, when life gives you lemons, you can make lemonade. So we've just taken that one notch up and said, when life gives you lemons, you can make strong alcoholic margaritas. Instead of being bitter about what has been given to you, you make something good out of it. Shonali was an open book with her personal life. It's very much her personal life is poured into this film. And without her inputs, I don't think I could have completed Laila as a character. We had to be really honest about our personal lives. We really both talked about that, the struggles that we had, the frustrations, just growing up, what it's like being a girl, falling in love, relationships with your mother, your difficult relationships with mother and father, all of those things. We really dig deep and got into that. So I think we really bonded on our personal lives. Meri Aadat Mera Hissa, which makes me cry. It's a really sad, beautiful song. The poetry that's been written in that song by Prasoon is just stunning, and it's sad, but it's also very it's a very nice philosophy on life. When you face loss, that's when you really sort of grow, and you get out as well of it sort of liberates you. So it's a beautiful, stunning song. We shot a song in New York called I Need a Man, and Vivian sang it, who has this very black, deep voice, very sexy voice. And so we shot it in New York in a bar, which was actually the first bar that Bob Dylan ever played in. There was this whole jazz band that was, playing the song. There was a singer singing the song. It was really fun. And the whole song is about, I don't need a man to clean my dishes. I don't need a man to do this, do that. I don't need romance and sweet talk. But in the middle of the night, I need a man. So it's a really naughty, fun song. Margarita with a Straw releases on 17th of April. एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत comical, funny film है, romantic film है. I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope you can take as many people as you can and go and watch it.